In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the experience language on Roblox. Basically, what this feature does is translate or stop translating the language of the game or experience you are playing. So when you choose a language, sometimes it has a bad translation or it's not translated to your language, so you might want to change the translation language. So to do this, you need to open the Roblox menu right here, then go to settings, and you will see the experience language right here. You can see the original language of the experience, which is English in this case. But if you want to translate it, let's say to Spanish, you can choose Spanish. And now as you can see, the text has changed and has been translated automatically. Now you can also set it back to English or the original language whenever you want. And that's it. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.